we go. Hey, it's Troy Casey, the Certified Health Nut, here live in his own home. And today we have Sean Loudon here to speak about health. He's also a health aficionado. And the one thing I like about Sean is his age. The guy's a young, strapping young lad, but he's educated himself on health. And how did you actually get into health, Sean?
First thing I got into was watching my father go through cancer. Was one of the big things that initially started my journey towards health and well-being. And the second one is I basically got sick, being exposed to all the chemicals and fertilizers that they put in the foods and the nurseries, and all of that stuff just really took a toll on my health and began my journey towards natural healing.
Mm-hmm. And what's the name of the program that you educated yourself with?
I went to the Institute for Integrative Nutrition, which is a school in Manhattan in New York City and affiliated with Columbia University.
That's great. And so you learned a lot of elements of holistic health and how to take care of yourself as a human being?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And so what would you like to tell the people out there in cyberspace?
Basically, health is number one, and we're being poisoned on every level. The food we eat has a direct impact on our health, our body. You know, it literally creates our cells, our organs, our tissues, and even our thoughts and our moods. And one thing that, there's a few simple rules that we can do is, you know, rule number one, eat organic as much as possible. You know, if you're going to buy your food, some say it costs a little bit more, but you know what, you're going to pay for it now or you're going to pay for it later.
Pay now or pay later.
One way or the other. You know, it's either a few extra dollars today or a doctor visit tomorrow and time off from work or sick or
cancer later.
Exactly. So that's just a simple thing you can do. Another thing is drink more water. You know, we really need to have half our body weight in ounces is a good rule of thumb to stick by. And
pure water, not the water at home with chlorine and fluoride in it. You don't want that. You want as pure water as you can possibly get.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you know, just a few other basics. You know, eat more whole grains, leafy green vegetables, stay away from as much sugar, artificial junk food, chemicalized junk food, packaged food as much as possible, and you know, a little bit of exercise, 15 minutes a day. It doesn't have to be much, doesn't have to be extreme, you know, just every little bit counts. Take deep breaths, connect with nature, go for a walk on the beach, you know, swim in the ocean, maybe not LA, it's a little bit dirty right now, but you know, going through a walk in the park, 5, 10, 15 minutes a day, some alone time, you know, really get you back into center and balanced, and just a few basics.
That's great. That's great. So there you have it. Health advice from the youth, not just the health nut. So much love and respect, and we'll see you next time here on the Health Nut.